Hi! Today I will discuss a subtopic from production and cost analysis. Production involves the utilization of an input in a process in order to attain a certain level of output. For example, we need material inputs such as seed, irrigation, fertilizers, and pesticides in producing rice. Likewise, we also need labor input to combine all these material inputs together in order to achieve high level of production. Production can be viewed as a relationship between an input and an output. In mathematical form, production function is shown as where y represents level of output and the mathematical form represents the level of different inputs used in the production process. The model also shows that the level of output y depends on the levels of inputs consumed. This means that any variation in input usage can increase or decrease production. The level of production means the amount produced within a given period of time. It is more commonly referred to as the total physical production or TPP. Different levels of input will yield different levels of TPP in a production process. After this slide is an example of a production schedule that shows the number of laborers needed to produce different quantities of bamboo pancit bilao to supply the packaging needs of a certain fast food chain. The following data presents the relationship between X and Y. 0 laborer is equals to 0 bilao produced. 1 laborer is equals to 3 bilao produced, and so on. This figure is the total physical curve showing relationship between number of laborers and quantity of bilao produced. When plotted in a graph, we can clearly see how different levels of variable input affect the level of output for the total physical product. At initial stages of production, increasing the number of laborers result in increasing quantities of bilao produced in one day. However, at later stages of production, the quantity of bilao produced per day decreases with further addition of laborers. Because decreased production happens when there is overutilization of a variable input such as labor when combined with all other inputs that are fixed such as the work area and weaving equipment that are designed to accommodate a certain number of laborers only. That's all. Thanks for watching.